In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix bid strategy learning in Google Ads. If your campaigns are stuck in the learning phase for too long, it means Google Ads is still gathering data to optimize your bid strategy. This can delay your campaign's performance, and here's how you can address and fix this issue effectively. So first, let's understand the bid strategy learning phase. So why does it happen? When you change your bid strategy, budget, or campaign settings, Google Ads needs time to collect data and adjust performance. This is typically the learning phase lasts 7 days depending on the traffic and settings. So what causes extended learning? Because significant changes to campaign settings and low traffic or insufficient conversation or conversion data and aggressive bid adjustments or multiple updates within a short period. Now, to optimize your campaign for faster learning, ensure enough conversions. Google recommends having at least 15 to 20 conversions per campaign per week. If your campaign isn't generating enough conversions, broaden your targeting to reach more users and temporarily increase your budget to accelerate data collections. And also, make sure you minimize changes. Avoid frequent adjustment to bid strategies, budgets, or settings, and let your campaign run for at least a week to gather sufficient data. And also, always check your data. Ensure your budget aligns with your campaign goals. For example, a daily budget that's too low compared to your target CPA will slow down data collection. And the last one is make sure you have a review target settings. So for automated bidding strategies like target ROAS or return on ad spend or target CPA or cost per acquisition, set realistic targets based on past campaign performance and avoid overly restrictive goals that make it difficult for Google Ads to optimize bids. You can always check the summary of conversions here in the goal section under the conversions and the summary. So, to monitor campaign performance, you can use performing tools. You can go to the campaigns tab and review metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. You can also look for patterns or issues that may be slowing down the learning pace. Always check bid adjustment. Avoid making manual bid adjustment when using automated strategies, and let Google Ads handle the optimization during the learning phase. And that's it. So you can also contact Google Ads supports if the learning phase persists. You can reach out to Google Ads support through the help section, and you can provide details about your campaign's performance and the changes made. And that's how you fix bid strategy learning in Google Ads. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.